Pinoy Pawn Stars is set to air at People's Television Network or PTV starting May 17. This after social media influencer Boss Toyo of Pinoy Pawn Stars signed a memorandum of agreement with PTV General Manager Ana Puod and Jay Ruiz of Centro Artista Incorporated. The best episodes and new episodes of Pinoy Pawn Stars will be aired from 5:15 to 5:45 in the afternoon.
Sa dulo, abangan nyo yung dulo ng show kasi meron kaming mga ilalagay dyan na mga pasabog at mga surprises na dapat abangan ng mga televiewers. Yung Pinoy Pawn Stars ay nagbibigay halaga dun sa mga gamit ng kapwa nating Pinoy na sumikat, like celebrity, vlogger, pwedeng politician, sikat na businessman, anything na nagkaroon ng relevance.
I'm inviting other content creators, whether from social media po or traditional content creators kasi although PTV is currently producing new content for you, marami pa rin pong klase ng konsepto na pwede nyo pong ibahagi sa amin. So, ang PTV po right now ay open-minded sa lahat po ng klase ng content.